In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add icons in Elementor. To begin with this video, you need to go to the Page Editor window. I'm already in the Page Editor, but if you need help editing a page with Elementor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Scrolling down, let's add a section first. To add icons to this section, simply search for the icon element. Drag and drop it here like this. In the left, you can see various icon-related settings which you can configure. To change the icon, you can select one from the icon library or upload one. Let's select an icon from the icon library. You can see lots and lots of icons here. You can also search for the one you're looking for. For example, let's say I want a camera icon. So let's search for the same. You can select any of the icons recommended. Once you're done, click on Insert. You can see the icon has changed here. You can select the view here as per your requirement. You can even change the shape from here. Links to these icons can be added here. To set the alignment, you can use this alignment setting. Moving to the Style tab, you can edit the color of the icon as per your need. You can even make adjustments in size from here. You can also explore other settings given over here. Hover settings can also be configured by selecting the respective option. You can change the colors on hover like this. You can see the preview here, and under the Advanced tab, you can find various advanced settings. You can explore all these on your own. Once everything is in place, you can simply duplicate these icons like this. You can even make the section look more attractive by adding images in elements like this. Let me add the image here. Once added, under Advanced Settings of the image, you can set the margin to make it look more attractive. Under Advanced Settings of the icon, let's set the Z-index as well. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.